Hi there, it's Josh at the Classic Competition Company. We have a very lovely prize for you guys to take part in, a bit of a crowd pleaser. This is a 1982 Yamaha RD350LC in the Mars bar colour scheme. This one can be won on our website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. So it's a fully restored example. It's been restored about, I don't know if that's 15 miles ago maybe. That's when you reset the meter, so it will need running in. Starts really well and just super smooth. Everything's been fully rebuilt. Like I said, it's in this really nice Mars bar colour scheme. I've done a fantastic job with the paint, and they've also colour matched the wheels, which is quite a nice touch. Really makes it stand out, gives it a lot of presence. It's also got the Micron expansion chambers, which are there, so they sound really good too. Runs on pre-mixed fuel, which he's let us know with this sticker likes to come off. It will sit down a bit better. So yeah, overall really nice example. Just needs running in and you're ready to really open it up and have some fun. So fuel's on. Started it about 2 hours ago, so it will be cold now. We've got our ignition key there. We have a choke on this side as well, so just pull the choke out and that's on. Wait for this car to go past so we don't get run over. Oh, nearly run over. Got the traffic coming now. So just give it a bit of a kick. Wait for the fuel to run through. There we are. I'll just let it tick over a bit, get some heat in there so I won't rev it too much. Probably take 2 or 3 minutes to warm up properly and show a bit of temperature on the temperature gauge. But yeah, sounds really good with those Microns. It's not too leery, but does give it a bit more of an aggressive sound. So we'll just warm that up slowly. So like I said, if you fancy a ticket, classiccompetitioncompany.com. If you do enter, thank you for your support as always, and good luck. I'll give you a little listen. Obviously not revving it too much, it's cold. Nice smooth engine.